When Kristin Henning came, she began to realize that we could do more.
In 2015, we wanted to expand. So now we are the Georgetown Juvenile Justice Initiative. The initiative really does systemic reform.
Chris is the future. Chris and Eduardo are really the future of the clinic because they're both so incredibly talented people and so dedicated to the work they do. Chris is on the road or on Zoom every day, I think, doing some training somewhere. And Eduardo is basically the key person on juvenile justice in the city right now. You can't pick up the newspaper or a blog post or something without Eduardo's name being mentioned.
The work of the initiative actually functions on a local, a regional, and a national level. At the local level, we're really focused on trying to make DC's delinquency system the smallest, the best, and the most just. At the regional level, we also run the Mid-Atlantic region of the Galt Center, which is a technical assistance and support center for defenders in Virginia, Maryland, and the District of Columbia. And then nationally, we're doing a ton of different work in terms of training and technical assistance.
Some of our leading programs are our Ambassadors for Racial Justice program. We are in our 10th year of our Summer Academy, and that's our Youth Defense Advocacy program. We bring in 42 defense attorneys every single year, and we have like a week-long boot camp.
One of the most significant contributions is an approach to pedagogy that we call clinical frames. And we really center race, adolescence, sexual orientation, gender identity and expression, and trauma and resilience.
All of which are critically important to understanding how young people engage with the legal systems, how they are perceived and treated by various institutions.
There is a Georgetown model of clinical education that I think is fundamental and has been absorbed. By looking at each case through that lens, and that's what we're training other lawyers to do now, the law has changed already.
I am very confident that the reason I'm at Legal Aid DC doing direct client representation for people living in poverty is because of the clinic. It's because of Chris and Wally and just seeing their passion and their energy, so the difference that they had and ultimately we got to have in some of these young people's lives. That certainly stays with me and is how I continue to strive to lawyer today and how I continue to try to teach the younger lawyers under my supervision.